Hello everyone, in this video we will be seeing about the Unipolar RZ return to 0 line code. Here the symbol 1, it is represented by a rectangular pulse of amplitude A. This was the same as that of in the Unipolar NRZ, but the difference here is in NRZ it was for the complete symbol width, whereas here in Unipolar RZ symbol 1 will be having a rectangular pulse of amplitude A, and this will be only for the half symbol width. It will not be for the complete symbol width. And symbol 0, it is represented by a transmitting no pulse. That is, it will be this remains same for the NRZ and the RZ. So here for symbol 1, you will be having a rectangular pulse of amplitude A only for the half symbol width, whereas for symbol 0, again the same thing, that is there will be no pulse transmitted. Now here one of the feature of the unipolar is that there is a presence of delta functions at f is equal to, that is frequency is equal to 0, then plus or minus TB, and in the power of spectrum of the transmitted signal. And here the delta functions, these can be used for bit timing recovery at the receiver. So here these can be taken as one of the applications of the unipolar RZ, that is the delta functions. It can be used for bit timing recovery at the receiver. And the disadvantage is that here it requires 3 dB more power than the polar RZ. As we have seen that in unipolar NRZ also there was a wastage of power. Here also there will be a wastage of power, and also it requires more power than the polar RZ signaling for the same probability of the symbol error. That is, the probability of symbol error will be same as that of the polar RZ, but it requires 3 dB more power than that of the polar RZ. Now we will see how to draw the signal for a given message sequence. So here you can see you are given with the message sequence 1011 010. So now we want to draw the unipolar RZ for this. So again we will draw the signals here. Now the first symbol is 1. So you can see here for the half bit duration or the half symbol width, there is a pulse, that is a rectangular pulse of amplitude A which has been transmitted, and for the remaining half bit period or the half symbol width you don't have any signal. Okay, for 0 there will be no signal transmitted. Again you have a sequence 1, so you have to, that is there will be a transmission of the rectangular pulse of amplitude A only for the half bit duration, and for remaining half bit duration it will be a 0, that is no pulse. Okay, similarly you have to draw for the other symbols. So 1, again a rectangular pulse of half bit duration, then remaining half bit duration will be 0. So 0, it will be a no signal. For 1, again half bit duration you have a pulse A, 0, that is no signal. Then for 0 also no signal. So this is how you draw the unipolar NRZ sequence or the unipolar RZ line code. Thank you.